Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Van, aka Side Hustle Addict. We're doing Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver. I think the pay for this is pretty good. As you guys know, I suck at shopping, but what I do for the tube. 37 items. Yeah, $37, 37 items. I forgot the mileage, but it's within the area. Yeah, I'll tell you guys the mileage a little bit later. Shop and deliver. Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver. Confirm arrival. Got my head strap on today. Got my head strap on. List. Hopefully you guys can see it. Start shopping. All right, let's go. Two of these seasonal item, Christmas bowl. All right, so it does show you the layout of the store. So it's on the other side. See that? Oh, you guys can see it, not, yeah. It shows you the layout of the store. That's pretty dope, right? Lots of upgrades on the Spark app, I guess. 2 out of 2, confirm. Next item. Crab mayo. Boom. Next one, A11. Fresh organic pink lady apples. Fresh organic pink lady apples. Let's go. Halfway in, I guess. More than halfway in, guys. Cinnamon French toast sticks. Let's go. More than halfway in. Cinnamon French toast sticks. It's gotta be this one. Cinnamon. So got a few substitutions. Evergreen waffles. Evergreen waffles. Use 8 bags. Start self checkout. Excuse me. Walmart Spark.
Yeah, I'll
Do you have to scan it or?
no, you're just gonna scan the
Scan that.
Yeah. For 1 second.
One of your paper bags, please? Sure. Just one. Thank you.
Okay, this one says that it doesn't match.
Yeah, there's a couple of items that was substituted.
Okay.
Yes.
I need to look at it first before
okay.
you bag it. You push your little button.
Continue.
Right there, that blue one, yeah. Now push it again. What's it doing? Good to go. And then it should bring this up. And then I do that, and then I look. And then you can start and as soon as I'm done picking it out.
No worries.
Is this your first one?
First one in a long time.
Do you have an ID?
Yes.
I just gotta look at it the first time.
No worries. There's a lot of illegal Venezuelans doing this app.
You got that right. I'm seeing myself in your picture. In your,
I will blow your face out.
in
Yeah.
your camera.
I'm making a tutorial for YouTube. Yeah,
Oh, are you?
I am.
Nice.
Lots of Venezuelan in Denver.
Don't get yourself hurt.
Are we good?
There you go.
All right.
Thank you,
Thank you
darling.
so much.
You have a great one.
You as well.
Show 'em your ID.
Uh,
Oh, yeah, I don't know how that got there.
all right, so now we're gonna bag it up. Serranos. Bread. Got more bread. Fruits together. Some of these. Strawberries. Don't make sense. Some balls. Yes. 3 of these. Can I have 3 more bags, please? Apples. Alright guys, we are good. Rock and roll. Oh, some of them fell out. Oh, sorry. I left the store.
You already did.
All right, just for thank you guys. All right, now we start. Oh, Fort Lupton. That sounds far. Oh, 9 miles. All right, it's not too bad. 9 miles, fam. Ah. All right, now it's just gotta go there. From here, there's 9 miles. Keep you guys updated when I get to the customer's house. See you guys back in a minute. All right, oh, got it. Front door. Submit. Snap a photo. All right, just gonna leave at the front door, snap a photo, and that's gonna be it. Let's go. One day when this life is open, I feel this moment. All right. Walmart Spark. I just wanna feel this moment. All right. Whew. Yes, sir. All right. I just wanna feel this moment. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, 2:46. I drove like 15 miles. So honestly, yeah, it's not all that great, but yeah, 32, and it took me like what, an hour 20 minutes or so. I did not clock this delivery. An hour 10, another hour 20. I think total mileage was 15. 5 miles to Walmart, 10 miles to the customer. My shopping is slow, you guys know that, right? Yeah, but today I did not struggle. It was just technical difficulties. Some items were correct, but they have a new barcode. There was like 3 of those. Some items had to be substituted, but yeah, besides that, I think my shopping was pretty fast today. Yeah, I've been doing a few shopping orders lately, so that's what it's like to do Walmart Spark, shop and deliver. And by the way, this Walmart, they well, for the self checkout, the cashier is gonna scan it, and then at the door there's another Walmart associate that will verify the items, and they will ask for your ID. So you can't really do Spark with a different you have to use your own Spark account from now on. Well, at least for this Walmart. I don't know about the other Walmart. So yeah, so they're taking steps to prevent you know, illegal accounts, yeah, or hacked accounts, whatever. Yeah. So there's gonna be a cashier that will check the items, and then a second person that will check the items and check your driver license, something like that. Yeah. And that's what it's like to do Spark, shop and deliver. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm on my way to do a VHO route. 1.5 hour to 2 hour for $75 or something like that. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed the content, please subscribe, smash the like, go back to the YouTube app, turn on all notifications. I'll see you guys on the next one.